Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So I'm starting a new playlist, a kind of course where we look at Angular 17 changes. We're starting with if. ngIf has been replaced. That's some good ass news. And I have a little example right here. I have this login page, alright? It doesn't do anything in the backend, but just to show you an example of the if and else statement, alright? So what I'm saying on the app component is this user is logged in, which is false by default. And I'm saying, we used to say ngIf, if user isn't logged in, we show him the login page. This is the login component. Or else block, ng template, else block, we show them a page named courses, if the user is logged in. Let me show you. We click login, we get the courses page, we click logout, we're back to the login page. Now let's see the new code with the if else. There it is, much simpler. It is much simpler. What are the benefits? Simplicity. It's much more close to the JavaScript code, the standard if else conditions. And third of all, runtime. It can save you some speed. It's actually a little bit faster. So from now on, we only use if and else with this code right here. If the user isn't logged in, show him the login page. If he is logged in, show him a page. Now we can do if and else if, and then else, as we do in JavaScript. So here is a code example of an if, else if, and else. I have three conditions right here, which are those, just for the example. Condition 1 is false, 2 is true, 3 is false. So if condition 1 is true, render condition 1 as a text. Else if condition 2 as a text. And this here is true, so let's see what happens. We get condition true, condition 2 is true. If I change this to false, have the else statement, all conditions are false, all conditions are false. I hope you like this video, a straightforward video of why it is beneficial to use this. You can also nest an if condition right here. And yeah, that was the video.